Brad Williams, XL Prime, show only characters captured between parentheses. This one on the surface looks pretty straightforward. There's a catch, and that is this works only for a single set of parentheses, okay? Here we have, I had no 65, take it so badly. The text doesn't mean a darn thing. All we're trying to do is strip and show only the number. Here, you're going to see it doesn't work, and you're going to see why. And I'm not going to cover this in this session. All right, I'm just going to focus on removing and showing only this end result. Here, we're going to use mid, B5, and instead of len, and doing a bunch of lens and subtracting lenses, we're going to use search and accomplish the same thing. Here, mid, B5, our start number is going to be search, and what we're looking for? Well, we're looking for that first parenthesis. And our number of characters, instead of using len to subtract and all that stuff, search, we have to find something. We have to find the second parenthesis and then the first. Search, again, is position. Just remember that. Position minus position. And then the 0, we're going to force a number. Other than that, it's really straightforward. Down here, here's the narrative. You can read it. I'm just going to show you instead. Breaking this thing down, here's the formula right here. And starting right to left, we have search. What we're looking for is this first parenthesis. The position is number 9. Here we have search. Well, we're looking for this other parenthesis, right? 13. We're going to take this search, and then we're going to subtract the other search. 13 minus 9. What happens here? F9. We're going to get 2. When you're dissecting this thing, be careful of the numbers. They're appearance only. Here we have to look at the combination. So search here is going to give us F9. It's going to give us 13, and then search on its own, F9. F9 is 10. I subtracted twice. So it's 13, 10 minus 1 is going to give us this number here. It's going to be 2. Got that? This is just B5, and this would be the text. We just strip this thing down. Here, in the end, we're going to look at this thing. We're going to go back here. We're going to search this text here. Our start number, F9, is going to be 11. We're going to count over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. F9, we're going to keep 2 characters. And this plus 0 just makes sure that it turns into a number. Here, I had no 65. Here's the length. Here's your 13. 13, and I had no, and then the first parenthesis is going to be 11. Brad Williams, XL Prime.